Screen है वहाँ आती है. Hello guys, my name is Sakas Thapa and this is my video demonstration for the routing and switching assessment. In this video, I will walk through the full configuration of my network including VLAN, interface VLAN routing, routing DHCP Ethernet channel, ACL implementation and verification test. I will show successful connectivity where required blocked access where ACL is applied and confirm that the entire design meets the assessment requirements of two network Sydney and Melbourne. The Melbourne side includes VLAN, VLAN 10 IT department and VLAN 20 HR department. Both are configured on two access switches with Ethernet channel. Um, Inter-VLAN routing is enabled via sub-interfaces on the Melbourne router. Sydney consists of two network. One is static LAN and other is DHCP LAN for clients. Both router exchange both router exchange network information through RIP version 2 with the ISP router acting as the central routing point. A key requirement was security, so I confirmed extended ACL on the Sydney serial interface to deny HR department while allowing IT department to access the static network 17.3.10.2. I have verified the design through the interfaces check, routing table, DHCP binding, Ethernet channel status, and ping test, which I will be showing like moving forward. So let's talk about the next part. um, it will be subnet and IP allocation. In this section I created four main networks. Like I have already said, in Melbourne part I have created VLAN 10 IT department and VLAN 20 HR department. For same for the Sydney network, I have created one static LAN and one DHCP LAN. So this is my topology. ISP is in center, so it will be in middle, acting like a bridge for both Melbourne and Sydney part. Um, Talking about the VLAN and inter-VLAN routing, on the Melbourne side here, uh, here we can see I have assigned the um, IT department IP address is 10.3.10.10 and same subnet marks default gateway. Now I will show you the VLAN brief. So let's go to the switch 3. Let's enable the switch and run the command show VLAN brief. So we can see it here. Here we can see it 10 Melbourne IT is active and 20 Melbourne HR is active. So this shows it's working. Let's go to the router on Melbourne side and and I will show you the IP interface. So IP interface brief here. Here we can see it. Uh, Here we can see it gigabit Ethernet 10.10. This is manual of gigabit 0120. That is this one is also working. Let's talk about routing with RIP B2. To create the communication between Sydney and Melbourne through the ISP router, I configured RIP version 2. All router advertise their network so both branches can reach each other. Let's see. Let's go to the Sydney router. Let me type the passcode. Enable again. And here I will show you the IP route. And here you we can see uh, here we can see 10.3.3.24 via 4040 dot serial 00. So these routing routes are working on both side for good communication between two parts. And for same, like, let's go to the Melbourne part, and here type so IP interface brief. Yeah, on this side also we can see here gigabit 0110, this one is active, gigabit ethernet 0.20, this one is manual off. So both are working to create the communication between the uh, Sydney and router through the ISP router. I configure RIP version 2. Let's go to the let's let me let me go to the I will show you. Let's see our DHCP. I have configured all our routers, switches, and PCs and servers. So like it should show the DHCP IP address. Let's go to the Sydney part here on PC2. So here IP address. So if it's working, then it should show the IP address. Here we can see DHCP request is successful, and we can see the IP address 172.3.20.11. And I can even show you the running the command. So IP DHCP binding. Here we can see like this one IP address 173.20 dot this one on hardware address is this one, so it's working fine. Let's talk about the eternal channel in in Melbourne. I have used LACP bundle to links between two switches. This creates higher bandwidth and a redundancy. Let's I will show you how this one works. So, ether channel summary. So we can see it here. All hours LACP are working. This one FA0P is up, FA02 is also up, FA03 and FA0 here. So all these LACP are working fine. And now next we will we will do the ACL testing. Here I have configured an ACL on the Sydney router to allow the IT VLAN to access the static network, and HR VLAN for so when HR department tries to access, so he won't be able to access the um, static network on Sydney part, because we have blocked. So let's test by running it. um so let's go to the prompt, and let's try here ping 172.3.10.2. So yeah, we can see it here. It says reply destination host is unreachable, because we have already uh, already denied to access for HR department. Now I will show you the verification testing. Talking about the verification testing, I first went to the PC3 in Melbourne IT VLAN, and here and ping 172.3.10.2. So this one should work. Like here we can see all my ping is received, so this one is working fine. uh, which is succeeded. This shows IT VLAN is allowed. Then I tested on PC4. I have just checked this one. So 172.3.20.1. Let's. This one is also working fine. Let's check into in connectivity so that we confirm that our whole system is running smooth. Ping 20.20.20.1. So here we can see reply all ping is being reached. So we can confirm that our whole system is responding properly. Finally, our into-in connectivity test is also passed. So thank you so much for listening.